guys, welcome back to this video, and today we're gonna look up 3 different words and we can see what strategies we can use to look up words in the Chinese dictionary. Okay, so the first word that we have on the list is go. This is the most common classifier. I think you guys are very familiar with this already. If not, it's a classifier that you can use when you don't know what classifier a word goes with. So let's try and use radicals first. So go, if you look at the character, right, you'll see that it has the person radical. So like this, 1, 2, right? So there are 2 strokes. So we look under here, and then we find the person character here. So it's on page 15, right? Let's go to page 15. Oh, and you can see, like, if you don't see that character radical, sometimes there are variants, right, when it's a radical. So it gives you kind of like an equivalency at the bottom. Okay, so let's go to page 15 of the dictionary. All right, so we can just start searching here. So yan, right? So it's not on this page. Oh, and just look at the top, right? Yan. And yan, nope, none of these. And you can kind of see that they're sorted by number of strokes as well, right? It's not here either. So we continue searching. It's not here. It is not here. Not here. Not here. Not here. Not here. Don't worry, guys. It's definitely in here somewhere. It's not here either. Not here, not here. Should be getting close. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Go. Yep. So as you can see, this is not the fastest process ever, right? So we found our word. Awesome. So that's word number 1 that we're gonna find. Successful, yay. Word number 2 we're going to find is to. So to looks like this. I'm just looking off my sheet. This is like the list of videos I said I'd make. And so now we have a choice here. Do we search by this radical or by the knife radical? Let's try by the knife radical. Again, it's a 50-50% chance. There's really no way of knowing. So knife would be 1, 2. It's also 2 strokes. There we go. As you can see, page 47. Okay. So let's go to page 47. All right. So we're going to start searching. It's not here. It's not here. It is not here. It is here. Oh, there we go. And we were right. Top. There we go. Success. And so if we did maybe search the wrong radical, maybe we search by this radical. Let's try doing that then. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 strokes. There we go. So that's the 381. I'm sure you guys can see that. 381. Alright, so let's see if we... Oh, there we go. So the first thing we see is that character. And as you can see, it says this is the wrong radical. It says 見到部50頁. So you have to... Oh, you guys can actually see that. I'm sorry. Let's see if we can just zoom in here. There we go. So 見到部20頁. So it'll refer you 50頁, sorry, to the right page if you get the radical wrong. So don't worry too much about it, right? We all get it wrong sometimes. It's a bit of a hit and miss kind of thing. And the third character that we have, let's try searching for in terms of strokes. Oi. Sometimes you get it wrong, that's perfectly fine. So how many strokes are there? Oi would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. So let's search. 13 strokes. So this is searching by strokes, so we go through all the characters here. So let's see. Oi doesn't seem to be here. Nope. And within the number of strokes, it actually sorts by radicals, I believe. So you kind of have to develop the ability to scan characters pretty quickly to make this work. And you can kind of see why, Chinese, looking up a dictionary in word in the Chinese dictionary is actually considered a real skill. It's not easy in the beginning, but you'll get used to it, I dare say. Alright, oh, there we go, 159, awesome. So, successful. And sometimes if you don't see the character, it might be because you have, you've counted the wrong number of strokes. And it would help to have a look at what counts as one stroke and what counts as separate strokes. So there's the character. Alright, so that's how you would check up a word in a Chinese dictionary. I hope that's been informative or helpful. And so once again, this concludes this series of videos on Chinese dictionary, and I really, really appreciate the viewership, guys. It really helps. And alright, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.